Hello everybody, it's Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes and talks to some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So as we talk a little bit about in our channel, you know, some of the excitement and the overcomings and the accomplishments within our channel when we're talking with artists and many entertainers and things that they have overcome through their career. We're going to be talking a little bit about the green screen. We had talked a little bit about creating some of your own green screens and how to work that, but we really didn't get into too much with DaVinci on how to actually go in and get rid of the green screen itself, so you can put some videos or whatever you want in the backdrop of the green screen. So here's a green screen that you'll see here in the backdrop right here that we had created, and we've already chroma keyed it out. As far as what that means is we've, you know, for some of you that are just starting out and don't know what the, you know, how to get the green screen in there. Within DaVinci, I want to show you where that's at. Now, every editing program, we use a few different editing programs. They're all in different areas. Okay, so what we're going to do here is you'll see that the green screen, this is a non-edited with the green, showing the green in the background. This is one that we've already added the Chroma Key, which, you know, takes away the green screen, so you can put video, whatever you want in the background. So we're going to switch over to the link here. You'll see the little magic box, what they call that, the fusion. You'll see it pop up. So we'll click on that. And you see we already added the keyer 1, and you'll see how it's in a, you know, the checkered style format. But let me show you how you get this. So if you want to, I'm going to cut that out of there and remove it right now, so that way you can kind of go back and you can see the original green screen. So what you want to do on your mouse is right click over the yellow line, go to add tool, and drop down here to this link here, the matte link, and you'll see the delta keyer. Add, left click on that, and you'll see it pop up. Okay, and now once you have your delta keyer there, you can go up into your inspector, and the inspector, you'll see the green right here that you need to remove. So you'll want to set where the pop-up screen comes up with the inspector with the green in it, bring it down to a good color setting to where you can actually see the checkered. So these checkered areas that are here will then turn black, and then your video or whatever you have behind there will actually show. So as you see, this screen has a reflective screen into also the flooring, so the video will also play down there. That's how we've set that one up. So that's kind of how you get into the green screens and, you know, changing the delta keyer into DaVinci. Now, other programs, if you guys have, you know, some difficulties with some other editing programs, let us know. We've used a few others out there. I know there's some that we haven't used, but maybe we can help you out. And in the next segment, we'll show you a program that we use to do some of our green screens, and I think we've talked about it in maybe another segment and mentioned it and showed you a little bit, but we want to show you this program and let you know a little bit how to do that. So if you want to do your own green screen, or maybe you can go into YouTube, there are a lot of other artists out there that do let you use and have free right use to some of their green screens, and you can always edit or change them. So that's the cool thing with YouTube and other YouTubers that are very helpful out there. So we hope this helps, and we'll see you on the next one.